everyone, welcome back to MTechZudo, where we break down networking concepts in the simplest and most visual way. Today's topic is something your router does every second, even if you never noticed it: NAT and PAT. These two technologies are the reason your entire home can share a single internet connection. So let's understand them in the easiest way possible. The internet sharing problem. Before understanding NAT, let's look at the problem it solves. Your home network may have phone, laptop, smart TV, PC, printer, IoT devices. But your internet service provider gives you only one public IP address. So, how do all these devices use the internet at the same time? With just one public IP. That's where NAT and PAT come to the rescue. What is NAT? NAT stands for Network Address Translation. It's a technique that allows private IP addresses inside your home to communicate with the public internet using one public IP. Think of NAT as a translator between private IP network and public IP network. These private IPs are not routable on the internet. NAT converts them into the public IP address assigned by your ISP. How NAT works? First, device inside the network sends request. Router changes private IP to public IP. 3. Router sends traffic to the internet. Then response comes back. Now router converts public IP to private IP, then packet reaches correct devices. Now types of NAT. There are three main types of NAT: static NAT, dynamic NAT, PAT. Static NAT, one private IP and one public IP, used for servers that need fixed public identity. Dynamic NAT, private IPs mapped to a pool of public IPs, used in bigger organizations. Now number 3, PAT, port address translation, also known as NAT overload. This is what your home router uses. PAT allows thousands of devices to share one public IP by using different port numbers. Now, what is PAT? Now, let's understand PAT, the real hero behind home network sharing. PAT maps many private IPs to one public IP using unique port numbers. So your router doesn't just translate IPs, it tracks connections using port like 192.168.1.5 colon 5001, 192.168.1.7 colon 6002. All these connections get mapped to public IP to different ports. This way your router knows which device requested which website. Real world analogy. Think of the public IP as your building address. Port numbers are like flat numbers. Everyone shares the same building but each has a unique flat ID. Now let's say three devices want to access Google. First, phone 192.168.1.5:4001. Second, laptop 192.168.1.7:4002. Third, TV 192.168.1.8:4003. When Google sends data back, the router looks at the port number and delivers the packet to the correct device. Hence, shared internet, zero confusion. Why do we need NAT and PAT? NAT and PAT are essential because IPv4 addresses are limited. They allow multiple devices to share one connection, provide basic network security, hide internal IPs from the internet, control inbound, outbound traffic. Without NAT and PAT, today's internet would collapse. Now, advantages and disadvantages of NAT and PAT. Advantages: saves IPv4 addresses, gives privacy, multiple devices share the same IP, works automatically. Limitations: breaks into interconnectivity, causes issues for VoIP, version of IP, gaming peer-to-peer, not needed in IPv6 networks. And that's the complete explanation of NAT and PAT. How your router lets multiple devices share one public IP and keeps your home network safe and efficient. If you want more hands-on examples or configuration tutorials, just tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more networking lessons with MTechZudo. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring and keep growing.